In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Steam Cloud Sync error quickly and easily. If you've ever launched the game on Steam and seen a message saying that your Steam Cloud is out of sync, failed to sync, or unable to upload your save files, you're definitely not alone. This error can be frustrating because it may prevent your game progress from syncing across devices. The good news is that in most cases, this problem can be fixed in just a few simple steps directly inside Steam. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can get your cloud saves working again. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software and tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's go ahead and fix the Steam Cloud Sync error. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click on the option labeled Steam. This will open a drop-down menu with several settings for your Steam client. From this drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will open the Steam Settings panel where you can configure different features for your account and client. Inside the Settings window, look at the sidebar on the left side and click on Cloud. This section controls all of the Steam Cloud functionality for your account. Once you are in the Cloud section, look for the option called Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for applications which support it. Make sure this option is turned on. If it's disabled, Steam will not sync your game saves to the cloud, which can cause the sync error message you may be seeing. After enabling this option, the next step is to verify that Steam Cloud is also enabled for the specific game that is showing the error. To do this, close the settings window and go to your Steam library. In your library, find the game that is showing the Steam Cloud Sync error. Right-click on that game and select Properties from the menu that appears. A new window will open with several tabs for that game's settings. Click on the General tab if it is not already selected. In this section, look for the option labeled Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for this game. Make sure this option is enabled. If this setting is turned off, the game will not upload or download save data using Steam Cloud, which can trigger the sync error message. Once you enable this option, you've completed the main configuration needed for Steam Cloud to function correctly. Now the final step is to restart Steam so the changes fully apply. Close the Steam application completely and then launch it again. After Steam restarts, go back to your library and launch the game that previously showed the sync error. In most cases, Steam will now successfully sync your save files and the error should be gone. And that's it. That's how to fix the Steam Cloud Sync error using the built-in Steam settings. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.